By now, you've probably already heard about the metaverse. Facebook changing its name into Meta suddenly put the metaverse front and center. And while Facebook is literally the worst company to build the metaverse. In fact, I just wrote a blog post just about that. Links in the description if you want to check it out. But aside from trashing Facebook, the metaverse as a concept will change all of our lives. So we need to know what it is, why people are excited about it, and what it means for the future of customer experiences from a brand perspective. The metaverse can be best described as a form of digital reality. Highly immersive worlds powered by augmented or virtual reality that combine a multitude of different media experiences, be it gaming, commerce, social interaction, or entertainment, and so on. In essence, it's the next iteration of the internet, powered by the principles of Web 3.0. So how will the metaverse affect the user experience, and what does it mean for brands and companies that don't want to be left behind in the echoing hallways of Web 2.0? Well, first, the metaverse might be the most immersive experience than any other digital revolution we've seen in the past. If Web 2.0 made the world flat again, the metaverse will destroy the concept of borders, countries, and continents. It's a totally new universe of worlds. And trying to model the future based on the restraints of the past is one of the biggest mistakes you can make. So, as a brand, you will need to accept that regions, borders, and countries have no relevancy in the metaverse. By the time the metaverse reaches maturity, most of commerce happening there will be driven by digital goods and digital ownership. And as a media brand, trying to enforce geographic restrictions that will only become an exercise in futility. The metaverse also brings the physical world into the digital world. Why fight your way through traffic to go to the nearest shoe store when you can instantly teleport yourself to a Nike flagship store that only has sneakers in your size? Brick and mortar stores will really need to up their experiences if they want to compete with the metaverse. And even if you're not a retail player, you need to consider that most people will spend the majority of their time in the metaverse. Not just consuming content or buying stuff, but creating new things. A large part of the metaverse will be driven by the creator economy. And as a brand, you'll need to participate. And talking about economy, you better get used to crypto. I know there's still a lot of non-believers out there, but trust me, we've reached the point of no return. Cryptocurrency, tokenization, and NFTs will be the engine of this new economy. In the metaverse, nobody will care about dollars and euros. Remember, borders and countries are irrelevant. And we're not just talking about commerce and transactions. Crypto is what will underpin digital ownership, privacy, and identity. It's what makes digital ownership persistent and interoperable. It's the internet of value, and as a brand, it's time to prepare yourself for this massive shift. In the hope that the metaverse will actually be built on the principles of Web 3.0, it will be fully decentralized without one specific company running it. Nobody will own the metaverse. And as a marketeer, you should vigilantly protest the kind of monoverse that Facebook wants to create. As I said before in this video, don't model the future on the past. And in this case, don't recreate the morally bankrupt advertising model of Web 2.0 in the metaverse. Nobody except advertisers themselves and marketeers that have been royally fucked into submission by Facebook want that. The metaverse offers a clean slate. A chance for redemption, if you will, to create a new kind of way to interact with your customers and reach new users. The upside is that with Web 3.0, the levers of control are back into the user's hands. So as a brand, either create a meaningful experience or get out. And finally, it's a new digital touchpoint that will become a major part in the customer journey. Most companies today know how to measure and track interactions on traditional touchpoints like websites or mobile apps. But the metaverse is a whole new set of technologies with the blockchain as its backbone. Deploying these new kinds of experiences will be a challenge in itself. Integrating it into your current marketing operations stack is a whole lot of bag of biscuits. Luckily, we here at Multiminds and the Data and Acceleration Innovation Lab are hard at work to create a framework to navigate this next revolution in customer experience and to confidently take this next step together with our clients. So here you have it, the metaverse. It's literally a whole new world. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe and don't hesitate to get in touch. Bye.